Look what I made! I'm hosting a dinner tonight. One of my friends was craving Ikea's meatball, so I decided to recreate them. Here is the original Ikea version. Juicy and tender meatball with creamy gravy, hint of sweet and tangy cranberry sauce. Let's start making it. Here I have 50% of ground beef, 50% of ground pork. Meatball can be any type of meat. Turkey, chicken, bison, even frog meat. I'm also adding the white bread to keep the meatball soft. Adding onion to give the meatball more flavor. Now I'm going to slice some onion. Quick question, are Ikea meatballs actually Swedish? Let me know what you think in comments. Make sure it's finely chopped. Transfer the chopped onion into the bowl. Add the bread and let it soak up all the onion juice. Now add the pork and the beef. Give it a gentle massage. Make sure the onion and the bread are well mixed into the meat. Adding 2 eggs. The egg help bind everything together and keep the meatball soft as well. Give it a bit more massage until everything is fully incorporated. Well, I decided to use a blender to make the meatball even more smoother. Use the ice cream scooper to scoop the meatball into a little tiny ball. Roll the meatball again to make the shape nice and round. Time to fry the meatball. Heat up the oil and add the meatball into the pan. Add the water and cover the lid. Make sure all the meatballs are fully cooked. Next, making some mashed potatoes. Let's go! I boil some water. Potato. Cover the lid and cook for 20 minutes. I think the potatoes are ready. Use the smashing tool and add the milk. Smashing it. I decided to use a fork to make it even smoother. I'm going to make the gravy. Beef bone broth, butter, flour, heavy cream. Let's go. Melt the butter with pan drippings. Stir fry the flour with butter until golden brown. Now add the beef broth. Heavy cream. Keep whisking like a gravy consistency. Lastly, I'm going to prepare the cranberry sauce and the green pea. Very simple, just warm out the canned cranberry. Drop the frozen peas into a boiling water for 3 to 4 minutes. Easy. Yeah, it's time to plate up. Using a scoop again, scoop the mashed potato into a bowl. I don't know how much I love this ice cream scoop. It's a lot on my food plating. Back to the question, are Ikea meatballs actually Swedish? Well, they're Swedish style, but they were actually inspired by Turkish meatball. Did you guess right? Alright, now I'm adding each beef, on top of the mashed potato. Sprinkle the green peas. Drizzle the gravy over the top. Add hint of cranberry sauce on top of the meatball. Isn't it pretty and stunning? My friends are here, I gotta go. I will make more shareable recipe for family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.